Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we are making creamy and delicious chicken quiche. First we'll preheat the oven 10 minutes at 180°F. Now let's prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl we have here 250 g of all-purpose flour, to which we'll add 125 g of salted butter and mix together until crumbs are formed. Next, little by little, add a bit of water until we get this kind of dough. Now here I have put my dough in between cling films. We'll roll and flatten the dough. Then adjust the pie crust in the baking glass bowl. We don't need to grease as the dough already contains butter. Now we'll take a fork and gently press on the dough and bake it in the oven at 180° for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our filling. In a pan, we'll melt 1 teaspoon of butter and add some garlics. Stir and let fry for a few seconds, then add the chicken that I have cut in very small pieces. Mix well, let every pieces coat well in that batter, and now we'll go with simple seasoning. Just some salt and some black pepper powder. Let cook for 5 minutes. Then we'll add the shredded carrots. Add 1 teaspoon of oil, some canned corn, some finely chopped thyme, and finely chopped parsley. Mix well and add some chopped canned mushroom. Add some finely sliced red and green bell pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. Mix well, then finally add some finely diced onions. Mix well and switch off the flame. Now after 20 minutes, I remove the pie crust from the oven, and as you can see here, the crust is slightly golden. We'll beat 1 egg and add the egg to the cooking cream. Beat both well and add some of the shredded cheese that we'll use for garnishing later. Next, we'll spread out the chicken filling on the pie crust. Pour the cream mixture. Adjust the filling and the cream. And then finally garnish generously with some shredded cheese. Now we'll let it bake for 30 minutes in the oven at 180°F, and then afterward let it cool down before servings. This is such an amazing recipe that anyone can bake anytime. The combination of the ingredients here is completely insane, so tasty and delicious. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.